Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are new and are not subscribed, I would absolutely love to have you. It would mean so much to me if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also if you want to be notified when I post new videos, definitely go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I post new videos. Alright you guys, so today's video I'm going to show you how to make blue eyes pop using all, of course, clean beauty makeup products. And literally this is just a couple of products, super quick, super easy. So basically, to make blue eyes pop, you want to use bronzy colors that have that orange or red type of undertone. Those colors that really help to bring out blue eyes. And then of course you could use a brown mascara or you can use a black mascara. I decided to use black just because it really brings more attention to the eyes. Brown can be a little bit more subtle, however brown does really look good with blue eyes. So I'm just going to go ahead and get to the application process of this. So for this look, I am using the Jane Iredale Solar Flare Eyeshadow Kit. This is what it looks like right here. I'm going to be going into this shade right here first. And this is just a dark brown shade. It has a little bit of a shimmer to it. I'm just going to apply this all over the lid. And I'm just going to really pack it on. And I'm just kind of applying it all the way up to the crease, but not necessarily blending it into the crease right now, but just kind of taking it up all the way to the crease. Alright, so now that I have that applied, I am going to take a fluffy crease brush and I'm just going to blend everything out. Get rid of any of those harsh lines. And I know that looks a little bit messy there, but I am going to clean that up later. Alright, so now that I've got that applied, I'm taking the same shade and I'm going to apply this to the lower lash line. And I'm just using a smaller, precise brush, but it is still a fluffy brush. And I'm just kind of smoke out the lower lash line. And now that I've done that, I'm going to use a matte brown shade. This is from the PYT Warm Day to Night Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to use this shade right here. It's just a matte brown shade. So I'm going to apply this shade just to the outer corners, just to create some depth. I'm just kind of bringing it into the crease a little bit. And then again, taking a fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend it all out. And I know that's looking super crazy messy, but I am going to clean that up, don't worry. So now I'm going to go back into the original shade right here, and I'm just going to pack this color on the lid a little bit more. Alright, and I know how ridiculous and crazy this looks right now because that is super messy right there. I'm just going to clean this up with some concealer, and I'm using the Kosas Revealer Concealer. I'm just going to go in with some translucent setting powder using the Vapor Beauty setting powder. I'm just going to set the under eyes. So now I'm going to highlight the inner corners of the eyes, and I'm using the Milk Makeup Flex highlighter, and this is in the shade Iced. So I'm just going to highlight the inner corners of the eyes. And then I'm also going to take this onto the brow bone. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. For mascara, I'm using the Ilia Beauty Limitless Lash Mascara. Alright, you guys, so that is it for the demo for how to make blue eyes pop. As you can tell, it's super easy. So you can also definitely do a lighter look. I know this look is a pretty dark eye look because it is that dark brown color. You don't have to do that to make blue eyes pop. You can use a lighter bronzy orange type of shade. For example, there is this shade right here in the Jane Iredale Solar Flare palette that works great as well to make blue eyes pop. If you guys would want to see a video of me using this shade here, definitely let me know. I can do a video about that. But this shade as well, let me show you that, would look super gorgeous and definitely would also make blue eyes pop. So you can definitely use lighter bronzy shades. You don't have to use as dark as a bronze brown shade that I used in this demo. You can use a lighter shade and it will still make blue eyes really pop and stand out. So I really hope that you guys liked this video and found it helpful. Definitely let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you guys do want to see more clean beauty content from me in the future, it would mean so much to me if you would subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. But that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.